you need to know from memory that there is 1 kilo unit. When I say unit, I mean any kind of metric system unit, like grams or liters, volume of a gas, like kilopascals or something, any kind of unit. There's 1 kilo unit in 1,000 base units. Again, units is any kind of grams, liters, pressure units. You need to know from memory that in 1 base unit there are 100 centiunits. You need to know from memory that in 1 base unit there are 1,000 milliunits, and in 1 base unit there are 10 to the 9th nanounits. With these equality statements, you can figure out any of these questions that are being asked. So if I want to convert between, I want to know how many, let's say, centiunits there are in a kilo unit. I'll start with 1 kilo unit on the top. Now I can't get directly to centiunits, but I do have something that they have in common. These units here, the base unit, they have these relationships have in common. So if I want to get rid of kilo units and go to base units, what am I going to put on the bottom down here? What? If I want to get rid of the kilo units and convert this to base units, what do I put on the bottom here? I couldn't hear you. 1 kilo unit from the equality statement. Yes, you want the kilo units on the bottom. So 1 kilo unit will go on the bottom. What's going to go on the top? If I want to convert to base units, what do I put on the top of this fraction? 1,000 base units. Then we can cancel the kilo units. But this is not the answer I'm ultimately seeking. Ultimately, I want to know how many centiunits are in a kilo unit. Okay? So what am I going to put on the bottom here? What do I put on the bottom here? What? Now I want to get the kilo. I want to get a centiunits. I don't want to go back to thousand things here, because that'd be going back to kilo units. I'm trying to get to the centiunits. 1U would go here, and what would go on the top here? 100 CU. And that'll allow me to go then all the way from kilo units to centiunits. No, I want you to sign back in and put that in your personal file. Then when you multiply 1,000 times 100, you need a calculator. You need a calculator. 100,000 centiunits equals 1 kilo unit. Okay? And that's the way you figure all these out. All right? That's how you come up with an equality statement that defines what the question is asking for. So now if you haven't done this, here is a class assignment for you right now. I want you to calculate in the same way. Calculate in the same way the number of centiunits in a milliunit. Calculate the number of centiunits in a milliunit.
What's 1 centi? Okay, we'll talk later.
Using the same process, calculate the number of centiunits in a milliunit.